Paano po ang gagawin kung hindi kami binibigyan ng company ng sick leave or vacation leave? Good question po. Sige, gawa natin ng content and short video ang sagot natin. Ito na po. Disclaimer, this video content is a personal opinion and a personal answer to questions from our viewers. So sir and ma'am, please read. Employers are not required to provide vacation leave in the Philippines. This is purely based on company policy and employer discretion. However, each employee is entitled to 5 days of SIL, which can be used for vacation or sick leave. SIL is provided when a company does not offer vacation and sick leave. Simply said, sir or ma'am, dito pala sa country natin, Philippines, ang employers natin are not required no to give us or provide us vacation leave. However, under labor code or sa batas natin, ang employer is required to provide 5 days of service incentive leave. Itong service incentive leave in 1 year, may 5 days po na pwede gamitin sa employee, vacation leave or sick leave. Yes po, 5 days in a year or every year. If 1 year na po tayo na employee sa company. If you watch my channel po, nagawan po natin ng video ito, service incentive leave. Alright? So again po, hindi po required ang employer na magbigay ng vacation leave or sick leave. Hindi po yan mandatory sa kanila. Specifically, private employer or private company. Lalong-lalo na pag wala sa company policy nila and discretion po sa employer na hindi sila magbigay. But what I know, ma'am or sir, sa government office, meron po ang mga government employees na sick leave tsaka vacation leave every year po. Nagabigay po ang government offices ng ganitong leave benefits. Lastly, sir, ang sagot natin sa tanong nyo, ano po ang gagawin ninyo kung walang binibigay ang company ng sick leave or vacation leave? Ay alamin po ninyo sa HR po or sa admin ng company. I-clarify nyo po if meron silang binibigay na sick leave and vacation leave sa mga employees sa company ninyo. Importante na malaman ninyo ang policy ng company regarding sa sick leave and vacation leave. If wala talaga sir, ma-confirm nyo na walang sick leave ang company or vacation leave, ay service incentive leave lang po ang i-avail ninyo. Remember, 5 days yan na ma-enjoy ninyo in a year. Pwede kayo mag-vacation leave or sick leave gamit ang service incentive leave. 5 days po yan in a year. Ngayon po, kung hindi compliant ang employer ninyo or company ninyo, refer nyo po yan sa DOLE po or NLRC. Kasi po, violation yan ng employer for not providing you or other employees sa service incentive leave na mandatory po yan sa batas. Every employer po. Maliit man or malaki. Private company man yan or government offices. In the absence of vacation leave and sick leave. Service incentive leave po yan, sir. Alright? Hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo po. Keep watching my channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.